Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Apache htpasswd for secure server directories. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal or command prompt. Install the Apache utility if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install apache 2 utils for Debian-based systems. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install httpd tools. Next, create a directory that you want to protect. You can do this using the command dir/path/to/protected_directory. Now, navigate to the directory you just created. Run cd/path/to/protected_directory to change your current directory. Create a password file using the htpasswd command. Use the command htpasswd username. Replace username with the desired username for authentication. You will be prompted to enter a password. After entering the password, it will be stored securely in the .htpasswd file. Next, edit your Apache configuration file. Open the file using a text editor. You can use nano/etc/apache2/sites available/000 default.conf for Debian-based systems. If you're using Red Hat, use nano/etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf. Locate the directory section you want to protect. Add the following lines inside that section: auth type basic, auth name restricted access, auth user file /path/to/protected_directory/.htpasswd. Require valid user. Make sure to replace /path/to/protected_directory with the actual path. Save your changes and exit the text editor. Next, restart the Apache server to apply the changes. Use the command sudo systemcll restart apache 2 for Debian-based systems. For Red Hat systems, use sudo systemcll restart httpd. Now, try to access your protected directory using a web browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.